Alright, I'm back on Moreton Bay chasing some jew, and there's a few around. Finally found a school, just got one then, so I'll bring you back to that action in a second. But a few tuna out here today as well, so I might chase a mac tuna or a longtail tuna a bit later on if the wind doesn't get up too much and they play the game. But yeah, a little bit of hard work this morning, but I have found a school now, and I just got that fish, so I'll try and get another one, get my bag, and then I'll shoot off and chase some tuna. So see how we go. Stay tuned. Smoking. Yes, yes. Good here. That's a big one. All right, that was a bit of effort, but we got there in the end. flex way down there. He's nailed that fork flex. 3/4 ounce jig head, 5-inch Wakasagi fork flex. Very down now. Let's get the pliers to get that out. Alright, I just glued that on with some super glue. And nice and soft, these things. They really are a lot softer than most of the other stretchy material plastics. So they get a lot of action. Looks good in the water. Obviously this Jew thought so. Alright, solid Jewy there. Very nice Jew. Alright, let's try and get back up on him, I reckon. Again, that's the plastic I'm using. A fork flex, 5-inch fork flex, Wakasagi colour. That's a headlock, TT jig head, 5.0, 3/4 ounce. Got 50 pound FC 100 litre. P3 castaway, which is 50 pound. On my Dobbins Caden 745, 12 to 25 pound bait caster. Plenty of power to bring in those bigger fish. No sharks here today, which is good. But if there was, you know, you've probably got plenty of power just to try and beat them in before the sharks eat them. All right, let's get back up on them. Big Jewy, I think. Yeah. Oh, shark on him. Oh, shark was on him. I got him though. Shark hit him. Woo! From out of the mouth of Jaws. He had a bite at him. That's a big Jew, that. Woo! That's a stonker. Look at that. That shark grabbed him at the end there. So he's obviously not getting released. Great fish. Well over a metre. Right in the corner of the mouth, hook up there with that fork flex. Did the job. Straightened me hook a bit. Definitely straightened me hook a lot. So I have to go pretty hard. Yes. All right, I went pretty hard on that fish and really opened that hook up. I could bend it back, but risks getting snapped on it, so I might just put a new jigget on and retie. I don't think I'll drop back down again, as obviously sharks are a bit of an issue here. So I might go for a bit of a look of tuna. Wind's dropped off a little bit as the tide's decelerating. I can see a couple of tuna over here, so I might have a bit of a go at the fly rod, I think. Let's see how I go with that. Oh, looks like I've just pulled straight up on a school. Sort of, on a down scan, looks like it. And I have. This is not behaving like a jewfish. It's behaving like a big snapper. Or a tuna. Look at a longie. This is a very weird fight. There's a shark down there. Maybe he'll stay up high enough not to get eaten. We'll see. There's definitely a shark down there. Well, so long you oh, is it a big mac? That's a longtail. All right, let's get that fork flex out. Oh, it's popped out. Beautiful. That's a solid, very solid tuna on the Mollusk fork flex. Off he goes. Because these are such a soft plastic, you don't need to do much to get them moving. They do quite a bit just with the current, to be honest. I do like to kick these pretty hard to get those jewfish fired up. But yeah, they will work just without much action as well. Right on top of them, I think we are. Yep. Just to the right hand side here. So I expect to hook up straight away. I'm right in the right spot. Oh, missed a bite. I got the bite, I didn't hook the fish. There we go. Yep. Good Jewy. Good Jewy. All right, just hooked in the corner there, the fork flex in the mouth. All right, he'll wake up in a second. Oh, just like that. Thanks, buddy. All right, bit of a shower there from the old Jew. Fork flex is still going, but the jig head's very bent, so that's the second jig head I've bent today. I've got a lot of drag on this reel, so trying to get these fish in sort of as quick as I can. If I keep them, they don't get eaten by sharks, and they're in better condition if I want to release them as well. So going hard on a fish isn't such a bad thing. So I'll cut that off, put a new jig head and plastic on, and catch another one, I think. Okay, so this is how I rig them up. I've got a loop knot to start with. Like that. I get a fork flex out, get a packet of 4 for around $12.95. They're all individually clamshelled, so they all come out perfect, not bent, twisted and sort of out of shape. And this is a 5.0 on a 5-inch plastic, just like that. And you can put a dab of glue on there as well. Put a bit of glue on there. Push it up. Drop that in the water and it'll set the glue. Like that. And ready to go. Cool. Let's get another one. Longtail on the surface. Crazy. Watch this. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Come on, see it? Yep, he's on it. Yes, I got him. Yes. That's cool. There we go. Smoking. Oh, hook pulled out. Bugger. Bugger. That sucks. That was pretty cool though. Didn't land it, but oh well. Got the fun part of a tuna anyway. Geez, they swim good, these fork flexes. Well, that's the first longtail I've done like that. It's nuts. I wish I didn't land that. There's a big school of jewies or something up here underneath that bait. Can't believe how far I drifted down and got pulled with a fish. Let's see if those fish have moved or not. So much shit on the sound, that's unbelievable. Jewies. Must be gorging themselves on this bait. Look at the sun on that jewfish, isn't it beautiful? He goes. All right, I'll call it a day now. I think that's like 5 jew, one longtail and one lost longtail. Yeah, all on that Wakasagi colour on a 3/4 ounce head. Killed it today. So southeasterly is just starting to puff in, so I might just head off now and get back before that wind does get up any further. It's a cracking day. Hope you enjoyed. Catch you guys.